What's up, Wheelers? Hey, so we have a fun thing we're doing today. So we all know the T3, right? We're gonna do something fun with this T3 today. We're gonna smoke out of it. All right, so first steps first. Oh, whoop. Got this do. We've seen this before, blah, 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 blah. We've seen this before. So here's the game plan. We're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna cut this right off because this whole bottom bit, we know, is hollow. And then we're gonna drill a hole right there, tap it, and then put a little bowl there. And that means you'll use the windows as the carb. All right, so you know what happens now. Let's take it apart. Boop. All right, one last thing to do. Now, if you look in the front here, you might say, boy, it looks like somebody already put glue there. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. All right, so here's the plan. Here's the base. Now, we have airflow up here that we need to block off, and airflow back here we need to not block off. Need to cut that little dude out of there. So, first things first, we'll just come on in here, and you might want to avert your eyes if you're squeamish, because this is going to be brutal. We're just going to give it a little snip. It's okay, buddy. It's all right. It's okay. Blob the blob on this side, and then just kind of make sure it gets on either end. Get this thing nice and sealed and smokable. There we go. Looking pretty good. Let's put a little more over here. A little more. And can see. Blocked off. So we need a little more over here. That's okay, we got glue. Alrighty, we'll clean up all these stragglies. We'll push this over a little bit so it's actually doing the thing I need it to do. Alright, clean up the stragglies, let the thing cool down, and we'll get to assembly. Alrighty, time for assembly. Windshield, the body. Now, you can kind of tell how we're going to be smoking it here, because basically the whole bottom chamber. And, yeah, there's our bit there. Let's put wheels on. Get that good old click. Good click. All right, let's get the screws in. Okay. Screw one. Screw two. And last, but not least, the most important part, the reason why we're doing all of this, the bowl. Get this boy screwed in here. Yeah, there we go. Nice and tight. Alrighty, so let's put a little flour in there, and then a little flour in there, and let's smoke it, boys! Well, Wheelers, we're back, and we're packed. So, let's go. Turns out, it does smoke.